Hey guys, Miss Trisha here. I'm going to show you how to braid your hair in 3 easy steps today, so stick around. Step 1, probably the easiest one, wash your hair. I recommend Garnier Fructis. I think that's how you say that, right? I recommend that because that's what I use, and I use an anti-frizz shampoo, and it seems to really help, especially if I'm going to braid my hair that day. Step 2. Now, especially if you are brand new at this and you've never braided your own hair before, or any hair for that matter, like it was for my first time, I suggest putting your hair like I have it right now, kind of in pigtails, let them hang down, because braiding your hair this way is what I have found anyways, probably the easiest way to do it. Mainly because of how hard it can be to see what you're doing. And I kind of get turned around, like if I'm looking at myself in the mirror, everything's backwards, so I don't know, it just gets to be a mess for me anyway, so I recommend putting your hair like this. The basic concept is this. We're going to take and separate our hair into thirds. Middle, right, and left. Okay? It's not that hard, I promise. Okay, so remember, right, left, middle. Okay, so first we're going to start by taking the left and handing it to the right hand, still holding the middle. So we got the middle and the left in this hand. Now we're going to take the right and hand it to that hand and take the middle. Okay? Now, so we got the left and the right in this hand and the middle right here. Now we're going to take and we're going to hand the left back to the left hand, and we're going to grab the middle with the right hand. We're going to switch them out. Okay? Now we got, what do we have here? We got the left right here and the middle and right here. guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope I was of some help. You know, Miss Trisha always likes to help if possible. So yeah, you can do it. It just takes a little practice, just like anything else in life. So if you do like the video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it, because Lord knows I need it. But thank you all, and thank you for the ones that have subscribed. I love you guys so much. I love all of you. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Goodbye.